Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. So as promised, I decided to come back on here and show you guys how I install my clip-ins from Lovrio.com. If you've seen my previous video, you know that I did do an initial review, and like I said before, it looks so natural. It has to be yours. Girl, do you know how many people came up to me and asked me what my hair regimen was? Like, obviously I had to lie and tell them because I couldn't, well, not that I couldn't tell them that, you know, I was wearing clip-ins, but like it felt good because they actually thought this was my hair. Like, are you serious? It felt so good. When I went to get my nails done, this black lady that was, you know, doing silk press on this girl, she's like, oh my gosh, I love your hair, I want to do some silk press on your hair. I was like, yeah, sure, next time. A box and a half. Each box comes with 7 clips, so in total I'm using about 10 or 11, and you see that in the video. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will just get into the video. They better not be like anything on my teeth.